Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. 11:03 a.m. Central Time on Saturday, August 25th, 2012. And we're looking at Intellicast here, Continental Radar View, also Titan Storm Tracking, National Weather Service alerts and Canadian alerts, and the active tropical models. Now you can see Tropical Storm Isaac down here over Dominican Republic. Forecast is going west-northwest, all the tracks basically heading in the same direction, some as far west as New Orleans, some as far east as the panhandle of Florida, but all going right over Cuba, Florida Keys, South Florida, Central Florida, and then going up towards the south of the United States. So all these orange boxes here, National Weather Service hurricane warnings, and those aren't just tropical storm warnings, they have it projected as going into a hurricane category 1 right near the Keys. And then as it progresses across the Gulf of Mexico, by the time it gets south of Panama City, they have it at a Category 2 with gusts up to 120, max winds at 100 miles per hour. So we need to be aware. Down here in Florida, of course, they're pounding it on the news. Just have a plan and be prepared. Food, water, shelter, transportation, communication. Have those things ready to go just in case. Now, off the East Coast, Virginia going up into D.C., Baltimore, we have hail and damaging winds detected. No warnings issued with this from the National Weather Service. However, this has been popping off into damaging winds, and of course hail is detected here, indicated by the blue boxes. And the green circles all indicate strong cell thunderstorms. This is actually two low pressure systems at play here. We have one up here over Canada, another one steam plume associated that is developed and is moving east-northeast throughout the Midwest. Let me take you over here to College EduPage to show you. First, we're going to look at the water vapor here. And this is North America, of course. Now you can see Tropical Storm Isaac going into the hurricane, coming up here to the west-northwest out of the tropics. Now the other hurricane, or tropical storm, has since died out here in the mid-Atlantic. Now you can see the two low-pressure systems in the United States. Let me just go ahead and zoom it in here. Go to the continental U.S., and we'll do the same thing. We'll load 48 images of water vapor. Links are down below, so you guys can do this yourself and monitor for the next day. And we'll turn on water vapor color enhancement. Okay, there you go. So you see the rotation up here over Canada, and then down here over the Midwest, over the South, you see this, well, it literally erupts each day, and it is forming, there's enough energy that's coming out of the ground, so to speak, that is literally forming micro low pressure systems down here to the south over Mexico and out over the west. I don't think that's typical monsoonal. I think we got something else going on here. I'm still trying to figure out what's going on with this, but just see that there are storms that are being produced off this that are dying out once they reach the Midwest. But this is going to be sucked up and made part of the larger low pressure system to the north, and as it's doing that, let's jump back over to Intellicast here. As it's doing that, it's producing these strong cell thunderstorms pulling up from the Midwest. Again, guys, all the links are down below, so be aware, be prepared. And always have a plan. Food, water, transportation, communications. Make sure your friends or relatives or coworkers know that plan and can enact it at a moment's notice. Hang in there.